Hello student, in last video we learned how to solve the examples using section formula, distance formula in last video. Now we are solving the next part of practice set 5.2. Question number 5. What is the given question number 5? See here carefully, listen. Find the ratio in which point P K7 divides segment joining A89 and B12. Also we have to find out K. Suppose this is the segment AB. The coordinates of A89, coordinates of B12 which are given. Also it is given that the point P, here suppose this point P is K7, and we have to find out the ratio M as to N also, and we have to find out the value of K, that is X coordinate. Suppose the coordinates of this XY, here the value of Y coordinate is 7, and that's why by using section formula, first we solve the for ratio by using Y coordinate, and after that we can find out X coordinate. Here we write by section formula, we have y is equal to, means y coordinate of this point P, that is my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. The value of y is 7 is equal to m, we have to determine y2 means 2, that will be x2 y2, and this point A that we assume as x1 y1. M into this y2 means 2 plus n into y1 means 9 upon m plus n. Now by cross multiplication, this 7 multiplied to m as to m plus n means here we obtain 7m plus 7n is equal to 2m plus 9n. How we obtain here? This 7 multiplied to this denominator and this bracket solve, and we get this step. This 7m as it is, this 2m transfer to left side, it will become negative, is equal to 9n minus 7n. How we obtain here? See carefully. That is 7 minus 2m, and that is equal to 9n minus 5n, means here we obtain 5m is equal to 2n, and therefore the ratio m as to n, m transfer to here and this 5 to that side, 2 as to 5, means the first answer we get here, m as to n is equal to 2 as to 5, m as to n is equal to 2 as to 5. And now using this ratio and value of x coordinate, we find out the value of k. What is x coordinate? We know that x is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. We put up that values. X coordinate means k is equal to m means 2, x2 means this 1, and n means 5, x1 means 8, and m plus n means 2 plus 7. Now here 2 plus 5, sorry, 2 plus 5, 7. 7 into k, here we get 7k. Now simplify it, 2 1s are 2, plus 5 8s are 40. And that's why 7k is equal to 42. 7 transfer to right side, it will become dividing, means 42 upon 7, that is equal to 6. Means here we get the second answer, k is equal to 6. Means first answer we get here, m as to n is equal to 2 as to 5 and k is equal to 6. And in this way we solve question number 5. Now we are solving question number 6 here. What is question number 6? Listen carefully. Find the coordinates of midpoints. According to example, we can draw a figure, or you may write in words. This is the midpoint P. Suppose segment joining points A and B that are given as 22 and 20, and second that is 0, 16. Here point A is 22 upon 22 20, B is 0 16. We assume that. Let point A 22 20, B 0 16. Suppose this point is x1 y1, this point is x2 y2, and this is point P, midpoint whose coordinates are xy. And here we can write, let point P is midpoint of segment AB, and therefore by using midpoint formula, we write formula first. X is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2, and y coordinate y is equal to y1 plus y2 upon 2. Then put up the values. X1 as 22 plus x2 as 0 upon 2. 22 upon 20, that is 11. Means x coordinate of that point means 11. Y coordinate we solve here. Y1 means 20, y2 is 16 upon 2. 22 plus 16, that is 36. 36 upon 2, that is equal to 80. Means here we obtain y coordinate 80, and that's why we can write down the answer. Coordinates of midpoint P that are 11 and 80, and this is the answer. Write down in words the coordinates of midpoint P 11 80. And in this way here we solve question number 6. Now we are solving question number 7. In question number 7, what is given? See carefully, listen carefully. Find the coordinates. Question number 7, we have to find out the coordinates of centroid. Coordinates of centroid. We already learned the centroid formula. Using that we have to solve this. The points are given as, the first example, 3 points are minus 7, 6. Second point 2, 2, 2 minus 2. Third point 8, 5. Here 3 points are given, and we have to solve for centroid formula. The centroid formula is that x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3. Here we write, suppose let, means we directly start, let A this point, B this point, and C this point. And let this point as x1 y1, this point as x2 y2, and this third point as x3 y3. Here we can write the values of x1 y1, x2 y2, and x3 y3. x1 is equal to minus 7, y1 is equal to 6, x2 is equal to 2, y2 is equal to minus 2, x3 is equal to 8, y3 is equal to 5. And now we write what we assume, that let point P xy, means the coordinates of that centroid P that are xy, or you may take G, whatever you can take, that is G is the centroid generally, take G. Gxy is a centroid. Therefore, by centroid formula, what we can say, x is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3, and y is equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. Now we put up the values. x1 as minus 7, x2 as 2, and x3 as 8 upon 3. Minus 7 plus 2 means 5, 5 plus 8 means minus 7 plus 2 minus 7 plus 2, that is minus 5 plus 8 means 3 upon 3, that is equal to 1, means x coordinate is 1. Now we simplify for y. Y1 is 6, y2 is minus 2, y3 is 5 upon 3. 6 minus 2, 4 plus 5, 9 upon 3, that is equal to 3. Means the answer is the coordinates of point G 1, 3. Means the coordinates of centroid 1, 3. This is the first example. Now we can solve second example, only replacing the coordinates. Here we can change the values only. Formula is same, simplification is same. Only we have to replace the values of that coordinates. What are the points given? 3 minus 5, first point. Second point 4, 3. Third point 11 minus 4. Same way we write down all. x1 is 3, y1 is minus 5, x2 is 4, y2 is 3, x3 is 11, y3 is minus 4. By centroid formula and all, we put up the values. x1 as 3 plus y1, x2 4, x3 11 upon 3. 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 11 18, 18 upon 3 means x coordinate is 6. Now for y coordinate, put up the values. Minus 5 plus 3 minus 4 upon 3. Minus 5 plus 3, negative 2, negative 2, negative 4 means negative 6 upon 3. Simplification is negative 2. Means here the coordinates of point G, that are x coordinate is 6 and y coordinate is minus 2. And this is the example second. Now same way we can simplify example third. Again changing the values. Only we have to replace the values x1, x2, x3 and y1, y2, y3. What are the points? 4, 7. Second point is 8, 4. And third point is 7, 11. Same way x1 is 4, y1 is 7, x2 8, y2 4, x3 7, 11. Same way here we write first formula, put up the values now. x1 is 4 plus 8 plus 7 upon 3. 4 plus 8, 12, 12 plus 7, 19 upon 3. We can't simplify further. y1, put up the values 7 plus 4 plus 11 upon 3. 11 plus 11, 22 upon 3. Means the coordinates of that centroid are 19 upon 3 and 22 upon 3. And here the second part of our practice set, we will stop. The remaining 5 questions you can see in next video. Please subscribe the channel.